Here's how to FaceTime with Android users on iPhone. If you're an iPhone user and the person you want to video chat with, whether a friend, family member, or a loved one is an Android user, it's not possible to use Apple services like FaceTime and iMessage, as Android users are excluded from many of Apple's apps and services, including these. Apple has now become a bit generous about sharing its video calling platform with others. However, Android users still can't initiate a FaceTime call or download the app. However, devices supporting iOS 15 or later, iPadOS 15, and macOS 12 Monterey or later can be accessible for FaceTime. If you're an iPhone user and are looking for ways to FaceTime an Android user, don't worry, we've got you covered. Here is a simple step-by-step guide that you can follow to FaceTime with Android users. Firstly, make sure you have a FaceTime supported device and check the device names mentioned earlier. Now you have to send a link to the other person for this. Go to the FaceTime app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Now click on the Create Link option in the top left corner. Now copy the link and send it as an invitation to the person you want to do FaceTime with. However, the person having an Android device won't need to log in. They only have to allow the browser access to the camera and microphone when the link is downloaded. It will ask the Android user to enter a name before joining. In this way, just by clicking on the link sent by the iPhone user, they will be able to join the video call. As an iPhone user, you'll get a message from Apple once the other person clicks on the link, and it will prompt you to accept or decline their request by clicking on either of the options. In this way, you'll be able to FaceTime with Android users easily.